Hello once again, this is Uncle Jimmy in Forbes, and we're here at our local Michael's here in Gettysburg, and we're doing a video, another creature feature video for Halloween, and we're going to see and look around. I had to pick up some markers for a convention coming up soon, some paint markers for autographs. So we're going to go in and see if they got any Halloween decorations out or anything to do with Halloween. This could be either a short video or a long video depending on what they have. So follow us on this adventure. So we're here at Michael's, and they do have, are putting their Halloween decorations out. Got these candles here, different kinds. And they got their fall scented candles. They usually have some pretty neat stuff. They got craft pumpkins. I guess you can actually carve these. And it's 30% off Halloween decor. That's pretty cool. I like that. And they got a scary cat tabletop, a little magic cat, and these pillars are really neat too. But you got a little bit of everything here. I got quite the selection. These little mice are cool. I like these little rats. That's pretty cool. It's at 30% off. There's a skeleton sitting on a crescent moon eating popcorn. That's pretty neat canvas. Yeah, they got a lot of neat stuff here. They got a deranged rotted cat. Rubber cat here. I don't know how much it is. Looks like $24. Got the crossbones, spiders, snakes. This one here looks like a copperhead. Everything, got everything you need for decorations or a Halloween party. Got a bunch of skulls. There's a monkey skeleton. Look at this, Forbes. A monkey skeleton. It's got a furry tail and everything. This one's really neat. I like this one here. It's a brain, like a zombie skull. Yeah, this stuff would be neat. I'd love to have another Halloween party for my kids. I did that one year. I might do that again sometime. A Fiji mermaid. A clown. Looks like Wednesday Addams. Got a lot of Edgar Allan Poe stuff, like the crow there. There's a male and female lover skeletons. A skeleton band. Newlywed skeletons. Got cowboy skeleton. Yeah, really neat stuff. There's a cat lover canvas for Halloween, a dog lover canvas. They got some old school light up Halloween decorations for outside. This is really cool here. It changes as you walk by. It's pretty neat. Reminds me of the Haunted Mansion at Disney. Same way with these, they changed. Red Riding Hood, Jekyll and Hyde. Raven. This is really cool. Check her out. Really neat stuff. All kinds of decorations. We'll go this other aisle over here and then we'll cut back and check out what they have over here. So follow us. How you doing?
Pretty good, yourself?
Good. A lot of bouquets and dried flowers for Halloween. Yeah, Michael's always has a good selection of Halloween decorations. I've never been disappointed. So we got your, over here you get your fall flowers and just fall decor here. But we'll go over and check the Halloween stuff because that's what we're here for. So follow us.
That python over there would be perfect because you don't like snakes.
Oh yeah. I hate snakes so bad. They get these that light up, the little fall lighting. Ford's pointed out this rubber python. The thing looks real, don't it? Look, you got, see, if you had a Halloween party, brain and a tongue. Them are, how much are these for us? I think they're probably,
oh, they're $10.
$10. I ain't bad. And then you got fingers,
I don't know why, but they even have a
eyeball,
Canadian
ear, and the nose. Look at this rotted mouse or rat.
Yeah.
Bat. That's cool. What is this?
Spider.
Yeah, spider.
There's another little bat up here. This one.
Then you got a heart, human heart. You got cut off foots and hands, feet and hands, foots, I said.
There's a head with spider legs.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at this crazy rat down here eating popcorn.
Yeah.
Look at a hand. So they got a lot of neat stuff. Yard decorations. I like the creepy clown there coming up out of the ground. That's pretty cool.
It's got a swinger there.
Got pictures of creepy families, creepy little girls, ghosts. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Hello guys, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Need help with anything?
Nah, we're just filming Halloween decorations. These are kind of cool too. Yeah, plushes here, pillows. I think you can carve these pumpkins, right, for they're craft pumpkins. You can cut into them.
So I think they're just foam. So
It says craft pumpkins. I don't know. You probably could.
these are like actual plastic. These are
Look, this
hollow.
is like a disco skeleton that you hang.
Like these might be craft ones, but they're hollow.
Right.
So if you cut them, it's just gonna be hollow.
Then I love these little spooky town. If I had room like a big table, I'd get some of these. Look at that, and I really like that, the band of skeletons. Then you can actually buy the little figures
The actual ones.
from it. These are like 30 bucks for each building, which ain't bad. And they got different ones. That's really neat. Look at that. It lights up and everything. And then you could get these little figures to put around your buildings. Make it look like a little Halloween village. This pink and stuff is kind of crazy. There's a skeleton with headphones. And like I said, they got 30% off all their Halloween decorations right now. These are cool because they light up and they go around your room like that, around the walls. My daughter would love that. She hates spiders. That's a pretty cool pink pillow.
Yeah, but she's gotten a little bit better with it.
Yeah, a little bit. I think next year, if we don't do it this year, we ought to have another Halloween party. Oh, look. There's a little poodle skeleton like our dog Dixie. There's your bottle right there. It's Booze. That's his nickname, Boo. Got a witch's hand. That looks to be about it, but they got quite the selection here. Like I said, I came to get markers for a convention coming up that we're going to for autographs, but I thought I would go ahead and look around. And now this stuff would be neat. I got a murder mystery game. It's Alice in Wonderland. This stuff would be perfect. If I didn't have to have the money right now for the conventions, I would buy some of this stuff and have that would be really neat to have a dinner murder mystery. Yeah, it really would. But that's about it. So this is one of many videos we'll be doing. We're doing our Halloween season now, all the way up to October to Halloween. So be prepared. We're going to do some conventions, eat at a haunted themed restaurant, go to some curiosity places, taxidermy and different things. So like I said, you follow us on this adventure, and if you're watching this, please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions of other things you'd like to see. And this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures and my son Forbes. Till next time, we'll see you later. Goodbye.